Hi everyone and welcome to Rose Woodwork. My name is Mackenzie and today we're going to talk about Ryobi One Plus LED light. This is just an unboxing, but we're going to talk about a little bit the specifics about this light. But first, I would like to say that I'm going to start talking on my videos since a lot of you have requested me to talk. So here we go. If you're a Ryobi hardcore fan, you know that any One Plus tool works with any One Plus battery. So being said that, it happens that I have a battery from Ryobi from a different artifact that I have. I don't have many Ryobi tools, but I do have some. The box includes a P705 LED light and an operator's manual. I didn't take out the manual because I thought it was not necessary. You can use an 18-volt battery. It's a LED bulb. It's 2 watts. And it doesn't weigh that much. So this is perfect for you to work in a work environment if you need a light, if it's very dark. If you need to go outside, maybe you want to, walk your dog or you're looking for something. Or if you got to go to the garage and look for a tool, it's very dark and you need a light. This is just a perfect light for any occasion. Okay, ready to light it up. That's right, it looks really nice. It's very bright. It's very uniform. Now, this thing has a rotary head, and you can rotate the light according to what you want to look at. So it is really cool when you're in an environment where you actually can have the light like up and you have to see up or something like that. So I think it's pretty neat. Well, I didn't know this part looking at the instructions, but in the back of the light you can attach a clip or to a bracket and hang the light. Also, you can slide a hole over a nail to hang a light against a wall or a piece of wood that you have around. So you mainly have options to slide a keyhole onto a nail to mount your light anywhere you want, really. So it's kind of cool. Now, I did turn off the lights, so let's check out how it looks in the dark. Pretty nice. Really nice. I like it. You can check out my tools too. Well, somebody's calling. I guess I'm gonna take that phone call. I find that this is a great addition to your tools. So if you want one, you just gotta go out and get one. It's awesome. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. And again, thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.